look at Mr. Peter Obi before see Mathias receives here. Mathias sent a strong message to Mr. Peter Obi here.
It shall never be well. I repeat it again. It shall never be well with any Nigerian Christian.
It shall never be well with any Nigerian Christian. Any Nigerian Christian who will rise up to judge Ahmed Tinubu and INEC. It shall never be well with any Nigerian Christian who will rise up to judge against Ahmed Tinubu and the INEC. And Mr. Peter Obi, who is the presidential flag bearer of the NDC, is a Christian, and he has risen up to even contest with Ahmed Tinubu. He has said a lot of things which are fact and true about Ahmed Tinubu. He has criticized INEC in the past and even presently for joining the executive in doing mago-mago. So, based on your actions, Mr. Peter Obi, Mathias said we should tell you that it shall never be well with you.
You see any Nigerian Christian?
He continues.
Against Ahmed Tinubu.
Of course, you are number one that is against Ahmed Tinubu, because like I said, you are contesting with him. You will not be contesting with him. In this election, we will never see good thing in his or your life. He continued to swear for you that any Nigerian Christian who is against Ahmed Tinubu in this election will never see good thing in his life. And you are the number one, because now flag. In fact, you are one of the major opposition of Ahmed Tinubu. So what it means
is our people say that what goes around comes around.
What goes around comes around.
We keep on telling the
now. Send the message here to Mr. Peter Obi. We will continue to interpret his words. Now, today, fast forward till today, he has officially come out, hustling to fly the flag of a party, not Mr. Peter Obi, who is a devoted Christian, with the image of that party. You have come out. After you kuluna God, they are punishing. I'm gonna know the mother that Peter Obi na like it. He show love. Come on or a change. But the mother, it will need change. Mathias needs experience. Mathias needs something to teach him a lesson. Then we're in a position where he will have no option but to confess Christ. He's not the first person who may go. Many of them, last minute, they encounter the situation that man will fail them, the so-called reality will even be far away from him, and the only opportunity he will have is to accept that Christ that he has never seen. If for that Christ, you will accept him, and he obviously, if there is still mercy, you will be free. But only as just to go mercy, only your soul will be saved. So, Mathias, if you remember Mathias, or you change, or you share, we of all these gra, of a lot of people, of the high, powerful, and mighty. I'm here to see somebody be challenged the go with Phyllis or Christ, because at that point, two things involved. Many of them are accept to go to higher. So if I amazing, has saved for their souls. Then you may explore go every option of one, which is in how fight against. Hashozie explore about that one. Many of them the marry willingly for the name are saved. That is not alone at the hour of mercy. So may look at Peter Obi for this video. Come alone and Mathias says swear God that it shall never be well with him. No gata for coming out as a Christian to have the audacity and temerity to contest against Ahmed Tinubu, to condemn INEC, because he has taken INEC to the court in the past. He has, in fact, your engagement in here on Facebook will find you sometime in the future, including you. My your comment you me There must come a time when they will all stand before you to be your judge. Today, you never knew that you will come out to contest for a public office under the party or a Christian with the image of the political party. You want to go and ride at the back of Onye Chukwu Yakpoko. You want to go and ride at the honor of Onye Yatafufu. You want to go and ride at the integrity of Onye Ayafunata, a good thing. When we win election in Nigeria, Chukwu Yakpoko. Share this video. Share this video.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending where you are watching me from, I see the your brother, Ebro TV, or Yamino Gam, who I got over the better. Help me way making you on a war until the killer make a winner. But I suppose we get out, but I don't know winning with the video gear. But I'm on the way goes to get winner maker. Now, watch out if you couldn't when I go to for your winning election. After the Yana, watch out to go for crowd, they make a way. Watch out the crowd. Hey, Emina, Ebi, get look at the wood there. Get look at the also one of the quantity. You know, watch out the video. I can do them without TV. I have no go with a better. Hey.
Uncountable line for Prince Emeko Roko. Agocha. All choice in Duzu one and the way to the federal constituency. Prince Emeko Roko. Number Agocha. Oh, Prince Emeko Roko. The choice of Nduzu one, the way to the federal house of representatives. Agocha. Infinity. Oda Agwagu. Number Oda Agwagu. All for Prince Emeko Roko. For Prince Emeko Roko. All for Prince Emeko Roko. The line Oda Agwagu. Prince Emeko Roko. Joyce Nduzu one in the way to the Federal House of Reps. Oh, Prince Emeko Roko. Agwagu. We are tired of counting. For Prince Emeko Roko. We are tired of counting for Prince Emeko Roko. Oh, Agwagu. Line Ada Agwagu. Line Oroka Ada Agwagu. Line Oroka Ada Agwagu. And Oroko has been declared the winner. And Oroko has been declared the winner.